Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be a vlog style. I've got a ductless unit that I'm going to be replacing. It's a swap out. I got a couple service calls and an estimate to run after that. Just grab some coffee and I'm going to hit the road. Let's do some work. All right, so for the first job today, we've got a Mitsubishi. This is a 15K ductless unit we're going to be replacing. So we got to get up there, disconnect the line hide, get that indoor unit disconnected, get this thing swapped out. I'm gonna crimp on a fitting for the ground instead of just trying to loop that around. That'll look a lot nicer. I took a picture inside because my memory will play games on me. So we have black, blue, and then red. In that order. Alright, so that change out went fantastic. I don't think anything could have gone any better. All the flares, the existing flares look really good, so I didn't touch any of those. I just torqued them down to spec, pressure tested to 450 psi, and it held for 10 minutes, so we're good. Pulled the vacuum, as you can see. The decay test went well, and the line set was under 25 feet, so I did not have to add any refrigerant. Just open the valves, turn the system on, and get it checked out. So we're good to go on this job. We're going to head down to the next one. I've actually got an estimate to do for another ductless system. They're going to be adding a, I think it's a storage room. They're turning into a podcast area. So that'll be interesting to check out. But that's where we're going to head to now. All right, so last minute, the customer needed to reschedule on this estimate. So I'm going to go ahead and head to my service call. It's a no cool. Should be a package unit. So we're going to go out there and see what we find. All right, so I've got a no cool. Looks like we got a package unit. Customer says the thermostat's not quite keeping up. It stays about a few degrees below or above what it's set at. So I had him shut it down, turn the fan on. Now we're gonna check it out and see what we got. So this capacitor is rated for 40 microfarads on the compressor side, and it's only showing basically 0. So we got a bad capacitor. Go ahead and get that swapped out. It's a little loose. There we go. Here's the Rheem. And then attach one of the 2 wires of the hard start to this terminal. Attach the remaining wire to the white Rheem terminal. So these AMRAD capacitors have an actual compressor protection terminal. So this is where you hook up your hard start instead of traditionally common to Rheem. You do Rheem to this protection terminal, which is pretty cool. There she goes. Going 12 amps on the compressor. See what it's rated for. That coil is definitely leaking, guaranteed. All right, so that call went pretty smooth. We had a bad capacitor on the compressor side, so the compressor wasn't turning on at all. Once I got that replaced, got it started up, and then noticed it was a little low on refrigerant. So that system's pretty old. It's an 04 model, so it's 17 years old. Definitely had their life out of that system. The coil, the indoor coil, is just completely rusted out, so definitely leaking from that point. So we just need to get this thing running for now. We're going to get them on the schedule. Not necessarily on the schedule. We're going to get them priced out for some new equipment. And so hopefully in the next few months or so, they're going to go that route. But for now, we just got it running for them. So yeah, it was just a little quick service call here with a capacitor, a little low on refrigerant, and we're good to go. So that's going to complete today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You got something out of it. Hit that thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, see you guys later.